Oh, wow. I can totally remember this. This is definitely my heaviest weight by far. I'm Shandra. I am from Holland, Michigan, and as of today, I've lost 109 pounds.
I'm Gerald, Chandra's husband. We've been married for 7 years and together for about 17.
During my 20s, I gained 100 pounds in like a 10-year period. I had to be taken off a roller coaster because I didn't fit in the seat. I got home from that and I weighed myself and it was 260 pounds. Something about that number was just like a no-go. When Jay and I decided we wanted to have kids, I knew that I couldn't go into that unhealthy myself. So we just thought, let's do this thing right from the start.
We're a team, so everything that we've ever done, we've been challenged by, we've faced together, so this wouldn't be any different.
It takes 21 days to build a habit. So I said, I'm just gonna go to the gym every single day, no matter what, for 21 days, and I'll just see what happens after that. It was really, really hard, but I went for 21 days and I never looked back. Sometime shortly thereafter, we started counting calories together. He joined me, and it was just as addictive as the gym portion. One day, I saw my wedding dress in the back of the closet. I put it on and literally laughed out loud because, I mean, I could just let go of it and it would just fall straight to the floor. So this picture went crazy viral. It totally inspired me to push harder and keep going. We have 2 boys, a 3.5-year-old named Brecken and a 1.5-year-old named Hendrik.
They are
Boys.
nicknamed Hambone
And Biscuit.
Because we're from the South.
Jay and I have been together since we were literally kids. Because of his support, I was able to lose this weight. I never once felt judged or that he thought I was any less beautiful or anything like that. So I'm just really excited to renew our commitment to each other. I had all these dreams for the dress that I wanted in the first place. I spent months talking with my sister and my mom about what I was gonna get, even though I think I knew deep down that I wasn't gonna be able to wear those dresses. I cannot wait to see new pics with my new dress and my new body and feeling like I have a whole new life. I feel like I'm getting the opportunity to fulfill a dream that I had since the very beginning.